Hello friends, I am Rehana. Welcome to my channel. In this episode, I will be showing you how to make restaurant style beef chili. I have taken 250 grams of beef cut lengthwise. Do not cut the pieces too thickly. I have added it into a pressure cooker and adding some soy sauce, black pepper powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt to taste. Now add some water and pressure cook until the whistle blows 5 times. Now moving on to the gravy, we will need finely chopped onions, chopped green chili, diced capsicum, finely chopped garlic, ginger juliennes and salt to taste, plus we need some soy sauce and tomato ketchup. I will be also using some cornstarch slurry to thicken the gravy. I will also be using a little bit of sesame oil. Yeah, the beef has cooked properly now. Now to a pan with hot oil, add the cooked beef pieces. I have used sunflower oil for this purpose. Fry the beef till it becomes brown on medium flame. Now take out the beef. I have given the quantity of all the ingredients in the description box below. You can check it out there. To the same oil, add lot of garlic and saute. Then add chopped onions and green chili. Next goes into is the tomato ketchup and soy sauce. Mix it well. Once everything is mixed well, add the beef and mix well again. Let the sauce coat on the beef nicely. Then you can add the beef stock which we have left over from cooking the beef. To thicken the gravy, add some cornstarch slurry. Mix the gravy well and let the gravy thicken. Now add in the capsicum and the remaining onions. Now I am adding some red food color. This is very much optional. You need not do this. After adding the red food color, mix it. Add some salt if required. You have to add a little bit of sugar to balance the taste. Then we are adding some ginger oil. This enhances the taste of the beef chili. And that's it. Our delicious beef chili is ready to serve with fried rice or any bread of your choice. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. See you soon in another episode with another simple recipe. Till that time, you all take care and bye bye.